How to properly write an email. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to write a proper email. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Now, let's get into the video. So, writing an email involves structuring your messages clearly and concisely. You also have to address the recipient respectfully and following a proper etiquette. So, the first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail application. You can find it on Google Play Store. Now, just tap on the Compose button on the bottom right corner. The first thing you need to do is use a clear and concise subject line. So subject line should summarize the purpose of your email. For example, if you want to write an email to request a meeting, you can just write on the subject request for meeting on the date or whatever it is. Or other example could be a follow-up project proposal or something like that. But the very first thing you need to do is add a recipient. Now, for that, you need to have the recipient's email address. And once you have your recipient's email, you can just enter it. For now, I'm just going to enter my own like this. And if you want to add a carbon copy for another email, you can add it here, or you can add a blind carbon copy on this one here. Now, what you need to do is write your subject concisely. As I've said but previously, you need to be very clear and concise with your subject line. So, for example, I'm just going to request a meeting on, let's say, on 8 p.m. So, I'm just going to do that. Now, once you start composing your email, you should start with a proper salutation like Dear Doctor, hello, Mr. Miss, or something like that. If you want to be really formal, you can address them from their prefix. Then you will have to enter a polite opening. So you have to begin with a greeting or a polite acknowledgement. And after that, on the first paragraph, you should explain why you are writing the email. For example, I'm reaching out regarding, or I wanted to ask you if you could provide, or something like that. Then on the body part of your email, you'll have to provide necessary details. If you are requesting for something, you can include clear actions or points or even deadlines. And after that, you can close with courtesy. You have to summarize your request or main point politely. And after you have done that, you can use a polite sign off. Like the common examples are formal. If you want to do it formally, it's sincerely or best regards. Or if you want to be a bit more casual, it could be best or thanks. So that's how you write an email properly. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.